this bad boy here. A bit higher than I remembered it, but still. There's a different shade of black at the bottom. So this is going to be potentially a mission. Shame. Got scraped yesterday. I'll have to go at fixing it. Outdoor job. Reasonably breezy. It ain't that warm. Let's hope we can get this lovely through. Hope and pray. Right then, it's all rubbed down. And I've put some filler on. In the worst areas. I'm going to have to mix some more for there by the feel of that as well. We've got some down here. Go wait for it to harden. When that hardens, I'll put a bit in there. It's hard to tell now because obviously I've got filler all over my fingers, man. Yeah, maybe that top bit there, maybe I should put a bit in there. But we shall see, eh? Have a look. It's drying anyway. Getting somewhere. The reason why you never see me sanding is because normally I can't work out how the bloody hell to put the camera. But if you saw by that chunk, the video this was quite a lot of skin filler on it. And now we've got to try and get the main of it off. Removing them horrid scratches. I've noticed can need a little bit more filler here. Slightly a little bit more of it. I don't even know if you can see that on the camera. Right, but this feels lovely. This has started to feel lovely. This is getting there slowly. Wish me luck, innit? Dusty bloody job. Everything's covered in white powder. I've been able to say that for years. Right, just put more filler on them little bits to the wet filler. A few little bits that didn't come. Well, it was almost like the filler came out as I was sanding it. But this time, when that's hardened and dried in 20 minutes, half hour, whatever, we have to rub that down. That should be lovely and smooth. And then mask it up and start getting ready to paint the bad boy. Obviously, reasonably highly value car, this one. Reasonably high. I couldn't afford it. So I'm trying to get the best job for the man as possible. See what happens. Temperature ain't good. We're at like 14, 15 degrees. Slightly windy, slightly breezy. I'm going to block it off as best as I can with my car, which is sitting here at the moment. Right then, just get it in some of its most extreme places. One coat of this stuff. It's actually quite good. It's not brilliant. You have to put a couple of coats on it, build it up in layers, and then obviously flat it off again afterwards. It ain't going to do massive dents, it ain't going to do huge scrapes and scratches, but all the little ones it should iron out quite nicely. That's what we're hoping here anyway. Everybody's favourite job, wet flatting. Absolute nightmare. I've done most of it. There's a few little bits that I know a lot of people would say don't do by hand, no block or anything. This is kind of how I got used to doing it. Nice and soft. Not sure if this is 1,000 or 15 grit. I've got the mother of all grit papers to rub over at the end. What, 2,500, which is basically a dry wet wipe. This is coming up lovely and smooth now. Everything feels lovely and smooth. That's the bit there that I was a bit concerned about. Feels lovely now. All by touch. There's a bit. Look of a real word. Right, not only are we starting to lose the sun, which is nice, but I've got the first coat of black on. In this light it's not easy to see, but you know, I don't think that's bad. Hopefully I can get this done. Guy's going to want his car back, but right, just running out of time, that's all. Get in there though. As you can see, first coat, no lacquer, no nothing, nice shine. Right then, just finished. And I do believe that's like looking in a mirror. I can't see the scratches anymore, that's a bonus. It'd be shit if I could, wouldn't it? But yeah, all done. Well, say all done. That bottom piece there is meant to be satin black, but I can't be masking out on fresh paint. So let that paint cure, come back. Now, I think the gentleman wants it lacquered anyway because he likes the shiny. So we'll have a chat when he comes back. Anyway, sorted.